Hey, do you want to learn how to add blog in front of a URL in WordPress Blogs? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So first, you need to go over to your admin page. So just go over here on the top left and then go over to dashboard. Then inside it, on the left hand side, scroll down. You're going to find settings, hover on it, and then click on permalinks. Then go inside permalinks, and in permalink structure, we are going to select custom structure. And then I'm going to add this. So /blog/ and after that there will be post name. So you just need to click on this post name here and then add another /. That's it. And there's optional, so category base and tag base. We need to add both of these here as well. Once done, just press on save changes on the bottom. After that, you need to make sure that you have cleared your cache. So you probably have got a caching plugin. I've got this Lightspeed cache, so I'm just going to click on purge all. And that's it, our cache has been cleared. Now, if you go back to your blog post and you try to view any of your blog posts like this one, there you go. On the top in the URL field, we've got blog, and after that, the blog post slug. And that's it, that's how to add blog URL in your WordPress blogs. And that's it, that's how to add blog URL in your WordPress blogs. And that's it. That's how to add blog URL in your WordPress blogs. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more WordPress related guides and fixes. See you there and bye for now.